Mugdal, what are you thinking about?
Hey Sporso, he thinking about Bill Gates.
Hey Mugdal, thinking about Bill Gates?
Yes.
I know many things. I know nothing about Bill Gates. Please say me about this. Okay, thank you. Thanks for asking. Okay, now you also listen on that. Bill Gates is one of the greatest person in the world. Uh, I think you should have the name of Microsoft. Okay, he's the co-founder of Microsoft. He was born in 1955, 28 October. Okay, he's born in Washington D.C., USA. He studied at Lakeside School. The school was very high level school, and he was very intelligent from his, boyhood. He was very, yes, boyhood. He was very intelligent, and his mother his mother's dream that he will be a lawyer. So that's why he goes to the Harvard University. Harvard is the greatest universities, but Bill Gates want to be a technology. So he started to make a revolutionary computer system. Okay, with his friend, Aaron Pollard. Okay, so that's time when he was revolution computer system. The computer system is about traffic patterns. It contains a traffic pattern. He started his business with his friend. At that time, their revolution computer system was popular, and they get a profit. They get a profit about $20,000 that time. There's many money for that. And after some years, at 1979, they invented a company named Microsoft. Microsoft, yes. This means that microcomputer and software means Microsoft is a writing software. And the Microsoft, and that time it became more popular, and they invented after 3 years they also invented MS-DOS CD, and after that they invented the Windows, the operating system that contains our computer, and the Windows, MS-DOS, Microsoft, everything was become popular, and Bill Gates was installed, and one time he became more popular in the world, and he became the richest. You know that he's the second richest man in today's world. So we have few days ago he was the first. He is the fastest man in the world. You know that. And people will respect him all of their life because he's a very greatest person. He tried to make a software, to how to develop it, how to become, how to reach it to the people, how to use it, and how to write with it. And if you have a computer, so you know that you should follow his life. Yes, if you have a computer, so whenever you study computer, in the icon, when the computer is starting, that the first icon is about Microsoft Windows. All the computers of the world goes on Microsoft. Okay, so yes, we can learn many things from his life, and if we try like Bill Gates, so we can also success and shine in our life. So I think that we will go and better things about that. Thank you for giving us knowledge about Bill Gates.